Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Our today's topic is about chemistry and its branches. Now let's dive in a topic. Chemistry. Chemistry is the branch of science which deals with the composition, properties of matter and chemical changes involved in it. For example, let's consider the chemical composition of water. We sometimes think, how can I drink water or how can I use it? But who thinks what the composition of water is? The chemical name of water is hydrogen monoxide, that is H2O. Generally speaking, in the language of chemistry, water is composed of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. Now, the branches of chemistry. Number 1, organic chemistry. The branch of chemistry in which we study about the hydrocarbons and their derivatives except carbonates, bicarbonates, carbides, and oxides of carbon, that is carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. These are the hydrocarbons and their derivatives. Hydrocarbons are compounds in which hydrogen and carbons, two elements are involved, and their derivatives contains other elements. For example, alkane, alkene, alkyne, and phenyl are hydrocarbons, and their derivatives are one hydrogen atom of hydrocarbon or two hydrogen atom of hydrocarbon are replaced by another element. They are called the derivatives of hydrocarbons. For example, alkyl halide, in which one hydrogen atom of alkane is replaced by halide group, that is fluorine, chlorine, bromine or iodine. Amines, in which one hydrogen of hydrocarbon is replaced by NH2 group. Alcohol, in which hydrogen is replaced by OH group. Ether, in which oxygen is bonded between two carbon atoms. Aldehyde, in which two hydrogen atoms are replaced by oxygen. Ketone, in which two hydrogen atoms are replaced by oxygen. And in ketone, the carbon is bonded with oxygen is a central carbon atom. Carboxylic acid, ester and amide. They are organic compounds which are studied under organic chemistry. Number 2, inorganic chemistry. This branch deals with the study of all elements and their compounds except those of carbon hydrogen compounds and their derivatives. For example, common salt, metals, alkali, acids, etc. Number 3, analytical chemistry. In this branch, we study the methods and techniques used to determine the kind, quality, and quantity of the various components in a substance. Number 4, nuclear chemistry. The branch of chemistry in which we study the changes occurring in the nuclei of the atoms accompanied by the emission of radiation. For example, alpha decay is one type of radioactive decay in which an atomic nucleus emits an alpha particle and thereby transforms or decays into an atom with a mass number decreased by 4 and atomic number decreased by 2 because the alpha particles contains 2 proton and 2 neutron. Number 5. Industrial chemistry. The branch of chemistry that deals with the study of different chemicals processes involved in the industry for the manufacture of synthetic products like glass, cement, paper, medicines, and fertilizers, etc. Now, biochemistry. The branch of chemistry in which we study the chemistry of living organisms. For example, plants and animals. Carbohydrates are studied under biochemistry. It is the molecule of glucose, a monosaccharide. Now, it is the structure of glucose molecule. Also shows the composition of glucose. Glucose is a monosaccharide. Now the next is a molecule of sucrose. Sucrose molecule is composed of a molecule of glucose and a fructose. So it is a disaccharide. Fructose molecule and it is a glucose molecule condensed together to form a molecule of sucrose. Now the next is amylose, a polysaccharide made up of several thousand glucose units. So it is a polysaccharide. These are carbohydrate and studied under biochemistry. Now, environmental chemistry, the branch of chemistry in which we study the interaction of materials and their effects on the environment of animals and plants. The environmental chemistry. Now, polymeric chemistry, the branch of chemistry which deals with especially with the study of polymerization and the products obtained through the process of polymerization such as plastic, synthetic fibers, paper, etc. This slide shows how several chloroethene monomers can join end to end to make polychloroethene, also called polyvinyl chloride or PVC. It is a molecule of chloroethene. This slide shows how several chloroethene monomers can join end to end to make polychloroethene, also called PVC, that is polyvinyl chloride. Now, physical chemistry. Physical chemistry deals with the forces and principles involved in the combination of atoms and molecules. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.